Okay, we're all in the car now.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, nothing comes through aux.
Of course not. You're recording. The
It
microphone
did
is
earlier.
not when you're recording.
Push aux.
Bruce.
See, that sounds really good. I don't see the Mexican anymore.
Ooh, it's the birthing song. I don't know what this person's problem is. Why don't you just go in? Should I go Contra Costa or straight and then the back way?
What do you want?
What do you want?
Let's go straight.
Huh, that was dickish.
See?
Yeah, come on.
What?
Huh?
She's on the phone. We're gonna drive by my school. We're gonna drive by my school.
Oh! Show me.
And then we drive the way I drive every day.
Okay.
Oh, baby, baby. Baby, baby.
You don't know, Kim, this could be one of our last days of rain.
Hi. How are you? I'm sorry. I can't hear you.
Is that broken?
What are you?
DVC.
The college is on the right.
She's on the phone. She doesn't hear anything.
Yeah, maybe. Let me check if we are not. Yeah, maybe I can.
So,
Okay.
the,
No, I'm sorry. I don't know what's wrong with my phone.
the cheese,
Yep.
the smaller bag was $4.99.
Wait, I can hear you. Let me call you back, okay? Wait.
It's always bad reception here. AC, it's always bad reception here.
Oh.
Wait until we're making a right turn and then call.
Yeah. But that was the campus?
Yes, on the right.
It's nice.
Yes. It's almost good. I know, when I'm on the phone, I'm always shit for reception too.
I was like, what?
Once you make the right turn up there, then it's better, then you should try again. Anyway, the bag is usually a lot more, but it was one of those Safeway sales. And I'm like, wow, this is like twice as much cheese for $2 more. Okay? And I'm pretty sure it's gonna get eaten, you know what I mean? And I got Mexican zucchinis. You like that?
Yeah, I like the chili.
I'll probably make the ratatouille soup, and you can see if you like it or not. You can always make you something else, right? Is it still focusing on
Oh,
this?
don't do that.
Up here on the right, you can see that one of the... Wow, that cooled off 6 degrees. That one of the pine trees is already in the process of dying. They cut a whole bunch down. Further down. Like, here it starts. See, all those one trees, all are gone. And there's one that's already dying too. Now Now it should be better, you see.
Yeah.
Kim, what's the button on the little left there? Lower left.
This?
No, the camera.
The camera? Autofocus is on. AF.
Okay.
See it? And then a viewfinder
Yeah.
thing. I'm sure you can turn on. I don't know. I don't know if you click on it, if it would. I don't know. I would have to play with it a little bit more.
Can you put rock on?
What?
Some rock.
The chilies were expensive, Kim, or not?
I think $2.49 per pound. I don't know. Jalapenos are like $1.99. So they were $2.49. So no, not really.
And these ones are bigger, so.
Guess who this is?
Yes. Really?
You know that? Thought you would.
I'm avoiding that hole. Just so you know. Oh! And the Krabby Andy was an idiot and drove right into it.
Yeah, they may not know.
Because they were like slowing down a lot when I did this weird move. That hole has been there forever though, for the record.
Doesn't mean they go there.
No, but I mean it's not just from the rain just now. It's been there forever.
I know, we avoided it before it even started raining.
And that speed camera there, if I drive with my car on the right side of the road, it doesn't recognize me at all. It doesn't see me.
Oh, I know where we are.
It's the back way home. Do you like this song? Look at the little kid. That's cute. I have no idea. Can I skip it? I like that song. I like that Ollie. look at the LEDs that turn on for the indicator. See it?
Yeah.
So weird. So, the Pleasant Hill people were cutting these trees here on the right.
Yeah.
They bloom quite beautifully, they're myrtles. It took them 4 days to trim all these. And today they were cutting these 3 when I came home from school. They've been doing it all week. It's like, okay, look, they made it till here, but they didn't make these. So they have to come back another day. For like how many trees? It's like,
You gotta take breaks, yeah.
I don't know what the fuck they're doing. It's like, why don't you just finish that? And then here was that speed thing from the police, you know, the little trailer. And on the back side it says you can ask to have it put in your neighborhood. I'm like, that's quite tempting to put it on Larky. People speed on that all the time too. Don't do
I
it.
have a question.
Yeah.
If someone wants to come over here on the bike, but they don't have like a specific place for me, they can go in in a car place, in a car line.
Oh, when they're riding their bikes.
Look, there is a car. There's a bike lane right there, right?
But if they're
But in case that it isn't there,
Then you can go in a normal car, but you stay kind of to the right.
oh no.
look at all the water going across the street.
Yeah. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh my God.
Why not?
Because it's his right
The
away.
other one wasn't moving.
He was moving. He slowed
Not
down.
bad. I would have gone. You probably would have.
No, because that car was already whatever. I have gone before because this person wanted to make a right turn and they have the right of way and I'm standing there and I'm like, it's your fucking turn, man. And they didn't go, then I went. I'm like, fuck it, if you're too stupid. If you don't recognize that it's your green light, you know, what am I gonna do? See over here? There's a bike. Aww. That was so cute.
This house is empty.
Nope. This one is. But the first one is not.
The second one looks better. The guy owns both of them. The one in the old house.
I'm hungry, don't you?
Aren't you?
I'm hungry too.
Yeah.
If you say, I am hungry, you use be, right? And that's what you use if you ask that question. Like, I am hungry, aren't you hungry?
Yeah. Thank you for that.
No problem. Okay, where's the plunger? Can I turn it off now?
One second.
Okay.
Say goodbye, AC.
Goodbye. Bye.
Bye, AC.